Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Then press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the alarm icon, this one, and once you find it, tap on it. And right here we can tap on this big alarm or add alarm button, and we can set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on the hours and minutes, and then tap on the check mark. And here we can check on which days the alarm should be active. For example, Tuesday and let's say Friday. You can also name the alarm. So if you tap on alarm name, it will open the keyboard. And you can type in something if you want to. And then you can tap OK, of course, to set it up. And here we have alarm rather. We can turn it on or off. We can also add another one if you want to. You can edit the alarms. So if you tap on the existing alarm, it will open the edit page, and you can change the time. You can change the repeat option, so on which days it should be basically active. And you can change the name, of course, and as well you can remove the alarm. So if you tap on delete, you can basically remove it. And that's about all. Once you've done, you can just press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.